Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many regex users encounter. The issue at hand revolves around wanting to match all unescaped dollar characters in strings that represent a regex. But what does unescaped actually mean in this context? Well, a character is considered unescaped if it's not preceded by an even number of backslashes. This means that each pair of backslashes indicates a literal backslash. So we need to account for that when dealing with strings. Now, let's explore a clever solution to tackle this tricky problem. In a solution to our problem, we leverage PCRE and a handy trick to avoid matching bytes preceded by backslash. By using the sequence *skip, *fail, we can skip over those cases and focus on capturing the unescaped dollar signs. The key regex pattern to achieve this is \\\. Osteniskeep, $$. This approach allows us to accurately identify and handle unescaped dollar signs within regex strings. Pretty neat, right? Building upon the previous solution, we can further refine our approach by crafting the regex pattern directly in PHP. By setting the pattern as $pattern equals \\\\, *skip, *f, $$, we ensure that our regex correctly identifies unescaped dollar signs. This step streamlines the process and enhances the functionality of our solution, making it even more robust. Taking a step further, we can optimize our regex pattern by utilizing a nowdoc string in PHP. By defining the pattern as $pattern equals regex \\\, *skip, *f, $excess regex, we embrace a more streamlined and efficient workflow. This approach not only enhances code readability, but also reinforces the effectiveness of our regex solution. It's all about optimizing and simplifying the process. In summary, we've explored a clever and practical solution to the challenge of matching unescaped dollar signs in regex strings. By using advanced regex techniques and leveraging PHP functionalities, we've crafted a robust and efficient approach to tackle this common issue. I hope you found this exploration insightful and helpful. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.